What you do to one side, you do to the other. Caramel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be putting up some wall decor and some items to add to my space. So here I have these circle mirrors and they come in a variety of different sizes. And I'm going to just stick these on the wall. They have a peel off adhesive and I'm going to create like a nice little wall art for under $5. So pretty inexpensive. And I think they're gonna come together pretty well. So keep watching to see that. So I'm now gonna try to put all of them up. I don't know if you can see it, but I already have one up. I was testing it out. So it's pretty straightforward. It just has like this back adhesive that comes off. And then there's a front adhesive that also comes off. So I did not take the adhesive off of the one that's up there yet, but yeah, you can see the actual shine. I'll take this off of the one on the wall either. We're just gonna put them all up and see how it looks and try to do like a design. So I don't know exactly, but we have a big one, smaller one. That looks nice. Let's do that. Okay, so far I'm gonna try to do the same design on the other side as well, so we can kind of mimic it. What you do to one side, you do to the other. Doing algebra over here. Okay, so we don't have any more large ones left. We just have the kind of medium small ones, and then the really small ones are the only two that's left. So we're gonna work that around the top. All right, so I feel like these came out really well, and now let's move on to our next project. So here we have these vases, and I really like the clear, and I'm just gonna add these flowers that I had bought previously. This is from Shein, and the flowers are from Amazon, so I'm just gonna add those into the space as well on both sides of the TV stand. These also came out nice. I like how it just ties the blue theme together. All right, guys, so I also had this idea that I wanted to add like some lights around this wall art area here where the TV is. So I got these command hooks, and then I have the actual lights, and it comes with a battery powered. And I was just gonna use the hook to go up, hook it, and then it'll fall down on the other side. Okay, this is really thin. Let's get the hooks up there. First things first. See how tall we want it. Right here is good. hopefully that's somewhat even. And now we're gonna take the actual lights. AA batteries. 3 AA batteries. Loop it so that it stays. Okay, now we're gonna use the remote and turn it on. Wait, that's the power box there. Oh, there we go. That's pretty pretty. This is like so nice. My camera's crooked. Let me get a view from right here. This is so pretty. I'm so excited. I didn't know it was gonna look like this good. Oh, sorry, I got my, let's see it with the light off. Wow. There's a second one too. So I have 2 of these. I mean, I could just drape this one over as well, and then it'll be double the lights. Or I can just save this for maybe somewhere else. It comes with 2 remotes. So there's another remote as well for this one. So I think I'll just save this one, and I'll just keep this as like single. But I think this is really cute. You can change like the pattern. Okay, now it's getting dimmer. And then you can make it brighter. Now it's getting brighter. Okay, now let's try to change the settings. Okay, so that's more of a slower. So number 1, I think I like number 1. That's just like the standard. And if you change it to number 3, oops, change it to number 3, then it goes slower like that. 5, ooh, 7, whoa, okay, wow. 2, okay, 4, oh, they fade in and out, okay. So 6 is a faster fade in, fade out, and then 8, okay, 8 is just solid if you just want to have it solid. Ooh, that's so fun. Then obviously you can turn it off. It has a timer, brightness. So that's off. It doesn't even look like it's there when it's turned off. Isn't that funny? Then you turn it on and it's like, it's a party. Let's put it on 1. That's my favorite. Yay! All right, guys. So I'm going to show you the update of all of the things that I put up that are added to my space. So first is the wall mirrors that I added. They're pretty secure, so I kind of like it. I didn't even realize, but if you look at like the circles that are in the picture, they kind of go with like the circles around the entirety. Wow, see what I did there? I think that's really cute, and obviously with the bed, the colors, the gray and the purple, and it kind of ties in. So that's one thing that we added into the space. And then I also got a second end table. That is the exact same one that is on this side as well. So I just added another one to this side, and honestly, it feels so much more like homey when you have more furniture in the space. I'm really glad that I just got a second end table there, because I feel like it really made the difference in making this area just feel full as a whole in this space. So we got 1, 2, and then the vases that you saw before that I added in. So I really like the clear vase with the blue flowers, the teal blue, because it also goes with the carpet that's blue and the pillows that are also that teal blue color, and it's also tied in with the wall art here that you saw in the last video. So if you put it all together, I think it's really cute just adding that detail. This is like so nice. And then if you come over here, I don't know if you've noticed, but another mirror. I don't know, me and mirrors, but I added another mirror to this space. I did want to hang it up, and I actually ordered the hooks to hang it up because I did not want to drill a hole in the wall. You guys know how I am with that. But I don't know. They said it was delivered, and I have not seen it. So right now it's just kind of sitting on top of the table. Yeah, but it's been secure. I mean, I walk around here and it doesn't move because this is actually a good weight. It's like 20 pounds here. And then this candle. Yes, caramel toffee. It looks very sophisticated over here. I'm not gonna lie. But that's pretty much all the updates I have to my space so far. There's still this area here when you walk in. So I don't know what to do with here. I don't want to like fill up too much, but maybe I'll put like a chair and then a little end table here. I don't know. I don't want it to get in the way of the entrance, but maybe something in this area. I don't know. Or on the wall. I think everything is really coming together well. And I like the little pieces that just make the apartment feel like a homey area. So yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.